Welcome back guys to this new video to Express. Today let's get started with the Xaero's Minimap for the Minecraft mods. To make this process really fast, I'm going to show you how to download the right version of the mod loader and how to set out some waypoints so you never lose your home again. So to choose your mod loader, what you need to do is that before we download the mod, we must know what loader you're actually using. So most modern nowadays mod packs use Fabric for performance for the Neo Force for heavy mods. So make sure heavy one is installed into the first. So showing the actual Minecraft launcher, it might be looking like this. So the installation tab, you wanted to see that the icons for Folk, Fabric, and the Neo Folk use now performance of the Neo Fork with heavy mods. So here what I need to do is to navigate directly into the official course for page. So you wanted to go here for this section of the google.com. You wanted to go for the official course fork page, which usually is the coreforge.com. So head to the official download page. The pro tip, you can look at the files tab directly by your specific game version and your mod loader. Now you wanted to download the actual file you are looking for. So download the file. If you're on Fabric, remember you also needed the Fabric API mod on your actual folder. So you might want to take that in mind before we actually continue. So here what you need to do is to look out for the actual category. So into the upper side, go for search for Minecraft Bedrock, and here I'm gonna click directly inside the mini game and hit for the option that says download. So you want to press the Windows key plus R, and you can focus for Minecraft. You can open your modes folder and just drag the Xaero jar file inside. So for example, I just click R, and here let's say that I wanted to type Minecraft, or let's say for example I just type app data like this, hit OK, and here it is, my actual Minecraft. So you open this elements, open your mod folder, and just drag the Xaero file jar inside that. Just go back now into Minecraft, restart the game, and if you see a map into the top left of the corner, successfully you have now done this element really fast. Now you can press Y to open the main settings. This is where you can change the map from a square to circle to move it to a different corner. But the most important key is you can set it at the waypoint. We're not going to be focusing a lot into how we can focus in game directly into the Minecraft. Just focusing into how we can actually install a specific, in this case, a specific mod for your actual Minecraft. Everything comes from directly the actual Core's Forge. Once again, search for the Minecraft Bedrock mods, click directly inside there, hit into download, make sure that you have installed it inside from the updated roaming.minecraft, and inside here should be appearing the actual mod of the actual Minecraft. So with this being said guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.